In this video, we're going to look at how to factorize a quadratic expression using this special pattern called the difference of squares. Below we see an expression such as a squared subtract b squared. Whenever you see a quadratic expression written in that format, you can quickly factorize it into the product of two binomial expressions as seen on the right. The quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a subtract b. Here we see the quadratic expression x squared subtract 9. At first glance, you may not notice that it's in the same format as our rule above. Because this pattern is the difference of squares, what we can do is rewrite the number 9, which is a perfect square number, in exponent form. Therefore, we can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. When it's written in this form, when you can clearly see x squared and 3 squared, we can represent the letter x as a and the number 3 as b. Therefore, we can simply rewrite using the same pattern. Instead of a plus b, we would have x plus 3, and instead of a subtract b, we have x subtract 3. And that's it. That's how you would factorize using the difference of squares. Let's try a more difficult one. What if we have 4y squared subtract 25? Similarly, we can use the a squared subtract b squared rule to help us with this expression. We can rewrite 4y squared simply by thinking of what the square roots of those terms are. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of y squared is y, so we can rewrite 4y squared as the quantity 2y squared. We can also write the number 25 by simply thinking of what the square root of 25 is as the quantity 5 squared. Now we can see that using our general rule of a squared subtract b squared, we can have a to be 2y and b to be 5. Therefore, we can simply substitute into our general rule as the quantity of 2y plus 5 times the quantity of 2y subtract 5. And that's how you factorize using the difference of squares. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more math videos.